All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to block dates for either a location or a parking space on the RVO Overnights platform. So as a host, I'm going to go ahead and log in, and this is my dashboard that we see here. I'm going to click on locations. Here we see we have the RV Overnights location. If we click on this, it'll collapse and expand. Over to the right of the location, you can see we have a 3-dot menu, and in that 3-dot menu, it does say block dates. When we expand and we see the parking spaces, we can also see that it says block space. So there's two ways to block dates. We can do it per space or for the entire location. I'm going to do it today for the entire location. So I'll hit block dates. And this is where I can put a title on this block. So I can say closed on Christmas. Then I can go ahead and select the day that I would like to block. And then we can choose that this is going to repeat annually. So if we click this, it'll happen every year on the same date, which for Christmas, we might want to do that. So we'll go ahead and hit blocked dates. Now, if we go back to our stay request calendar and we were to go forward, we can see that block here on the 25th to the 26th, closed on Christmas, and we can always edit it if we want. We can turn off those dates or turn off repeat annually. We can save it, or we can always delete it as well. And that's how you block dates on RV Overnights.